Hi, Teresa with Teresa's Garage. I recently had a customer bring their vehicle in. It was a 96 Toyota pickup with a clunking noise on the front end. And most people aren't aware that the front axles are independent, and this axle was on the passenger side. And as you can see here, there is a rubber boot on both ends of the axle. We'll look at this one here and this one here. This is supposed to be actually a one-piece axle. It is joined together at this joint right here. This would slide in here, but the problem is the boot actually came apart because of either age or getting slit or just from the weather. And then the grease will actually fling as the axle is turning when you're driving the vehicle, and then it becomes right here, it'll become metal to metal, and then the joint will actually separate, which is what happened in this vehicle. Now, this is a truck that is used on a ranch, and so it doesn't get that much attention that it should. And thank God they weren't driving on the highway, because this would have been a disastrous situation. So if you hear a clunking sound on the front end or a clicking, you should probably get it checked pretty quickly to make sure, or you could even look yourself underneath the vehicle if it's high enough to see if these boots actually get slit, because that will happen, and then they will need to be replaced.